What's happening, folks? Well, got the knife all finished up for the flea market knife challenge / giveaway. Loving the way that handle turned out. Pretty happy with everything. But it's definitely missing something. So tonight, I'm going to be building a sheath. And I've also got to build a sheath for this thing. Got to build a sheath for this. Sharpen this. And fix this thing. So I have a lot to do. Here we go. folks. Well, I think that's going to do it for this one. I'm loving the way this thing turned out, especially that handle. That's the first time ever trying that. I really think it turned out cool. The sheath works great. Yeah, no complaints. All right, now there's still time to get in on this contest. Going to be doing the drawing tomorrow, so you can still share everything, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff tonight. And if you do all that and you write the words done, the word done in the comments, this could be yours. Not that it's perfect, not that I'm that great of a knife maker, but I think it's pretty cool. I enjoy doing it, and yeah, I'll be happy to know that somebody's going to get some enjoyment out of it. So I think that's pretty neat. So last chance. Y'all have a good night.